Greetings, Earthlings. Dr. Alien here again. Today we're diving into the world of the corticosteroid inhaler, your trusty preventer. If you missed my video on the salbutamol inhaler, the reliever, go check it out through the link below, because the basic steps for using both inhalers are pretty much the same. Now, here's where they differ. The salbutamol inhaler, the blue one, is your go-to for fast relief. Use it when you're short of breath or having an asthma attack. It opens your airways quickly, giving you that instant rescue, but you only use it when you need it. On the other hand, the corticosteroid inhaler, the red one, is a preventer. You use it every day, even if you feel fine. This inhaler keeps your airways calm and reduces inflammation over time. It doesn't work instantly, but with regular use, it helps prevent asthma attacks from happening in the first place. That's why it's so important to stick to the daily schedule with this one. A couple of things to watch out for. Oral thrush, a fungal infection that can develop in your mouth as a white, sore coating. To avoid it, rinse your mouth with water after every puff, or use a spacer to direct the medication straight to your lungs. And sometimes it can cause a hoarse voice. Again, rinsing and using a spacer can help reduce this effect. Lastly, don't switch between brands of inhalers without consulting your doctor, as different brands might have variations. Stick to the one that's prescribed for you. So, remember, use your reliever when needed, but make sure to use your preventer daily to keep asthma under control. Capsule closed, and to wrap it up, capsule closed, prescription filled. See you next time, Earthlings.